When it comes to vein supplements, the first question I always get is, do they actually work? Short answer, depends. If you pick the right ones, they can support vein health, but they won't perform miracles. Think of them as maintenance, not magic. Here's why vein health matters. Veins carry blood back to your heart, and they're working against gravity. If they break down, you're looking at varicose veins, swelling, and even chronic venous insufficiency. It's not just cosmetic. It's your circulation system screaming for help. The main ingredients you'll see in vein supplements are things like diosmin, horse chestnut, and butcher's broom. These compounds are believed to strengthen vein walls and improve circulation. Some studies have shown up to a 30% reduction in vein symptoms with consistent use. The issue is, most people expect results overnight. That's a no-go. Vein supplements work gradually. You're looking at a 3 to 6 month commitment for noticeable changes. If you aren't consistent, you're essentially flushing your money down the drain. Pain point. Most users ignore lifestyle factors. Supplements can't undo hours of sitting or standing without breaks. Compression socks and daily movement are your frontline defense. The supplements? They're the reinforcements, not the army. A big mistake people make is buying cheap, low-quality brands. If that price looks too good to be true, it probably is. A poorly formulated supplement isn't just ineffective. It's a waste of time and hope. Look for clinical testing on the label. Pro tip: the best vein supplements often combine a mix of ingredients like hesperidin and rutin. These work in synergy for better absorption and effect. Combo formulas can provide a 20–40% better outcome compared to single-ingredient options. And food matters too. Supplements won't cancel out a junk diet. Foods rich in bioflavonoids, like citrus fruits and berries, can bolster your veins naturally. Think of it as giving the supplements a natural boost. Double your effort, double the results. Hydration is another overlooked factor. Dehydrated blood is sticky blood. Sticky blood puts more strain on your veins. At least half your body weight in ounces of water per day. Trust me, your veins will thank you. I know people hate this part, but caffeine and alcohol can be vein saboteurs. Excessive consumption restricts blood vessels, and that's the last thing your body needs if you're already seeing signs of vein trouble. Moderation is key here, folks. If you're already dealing with advanced varicose veins, supplements alone won't cut it. You'll need to look into procedures like laser therapy or sclerotherapy. Think of the supplements as a way to slow progression, not reverse existing damage. Last little bit, keep your expectations in check. Supplements are part of the puzzle. Pair them with healthy habits, like elevating your legs or stretching during the day. Fix the root causes, and you'll give these little capsules their best shot at helping.